Whilst you're building your report, selecting the fields, placing them on the report, you might find a field name that appears to be a little bit cryptic, or you're not totally sure what's stored in there. Well, instead of going through the process of taking the field, place it on the report, preview the report to see what's actually in the field, we can actually browse the existing data in this field for TBL contacts. And we do that by selecting the field we would like to have a look through, right click and choose Browse Data. And it opens a little window with the preview. Now there's no data in that particular field, so I know there's no point in using it. What about the gender? I see that it's a number data type and I think, well, why is it a number? Let's have a look what's in there. Right click, browse the data, and it's got 1, 2, 3s in. Now I know, because I know the database, that 1's male, 2's female, and 3's unknown. So you could do that with any field. You think, well, what regions do all these people live in? Right click, browse the data, and we get to see the unique regions. We don't see how many people there are in each of those regions because we're not looking at the whole data. We're seeing the unique values. So we see Alberta, California, notice they're in alphabetical order as well, County Durham, England, but we don't know how many people actually in each of these areas. So that's select the field, right click and browse, or select the field and on the little Field Explorer toolbar is a browse button and it opens up the same window. So we're looking at the town field, which I know because it's listed here. So it's the name of the object dot town. So name of the object dot the field name. It tells you the data type, which is a string, maximum 255 characters. And it gives you an extract of the data of unique values. That's done by browsing. Any field can be browsed in this list, which saves you placing it on the report and then deciding, oh, it's not that one. Quite useful for cryptic fields or for fields that you think, well, what actually is in there? Like the gender one. I wasn't sure whether there were numbers or not. The dates of birth. Right click, browse. And I see all the unique date of birth values within there. So that's the ability to effectively scan through the data before even making a decision on whether to use it on your report.